Hi, students. I hope you're all doing well. I really miss you guys. I hate hearing the sound of my voice, so I really didn't want to do this, but I feel like it's going to help some of you understand what I need you to do this week, so here we go. When you log into Canvas, this is what you'll see. This is the announcement that I created today. It has all the information you need for this week to complete your activities online, but I know some of you guys learn better by hearing and seeing things rather than just reading. So that's why I wanted to do this. So you can look at that for information. If things change or I need to tell you something, announcements is where I'm going to put it in Canvas. So check that frequently. You'll want to check that for all of your classes while we're doing this learning from home thing. When you're ready to start, you need to go to modules. And this is the academic, but it's pretty much the same for pre-AP. So this is the little section of work for this week, and you'll have something similar next week, and I'll put those dates on there when that's ready. So for this week, this is what you need to start with. You have choices over what you want to do. So if you don't pay attention to this, you're going to end up doing a lot more work. You'll want to click on this. A PDF will open. It should work on anybody's phone or whatever you're using because it's not a Microsoft Word file. It's being really slow, I think, because I'm recording also. So this is what it's going to look like. Now you'll notice this week is a short week. So we have choices for you. Next week, you're going to have more choices and you're going to have to choose more things. But for this week, you only have to choose one thing from each section. These are things to help you remember the concept. We're doing integer operations, so positive and negative numbers. These are videos. You can choose whichever type of video you like the best. If you feel like you need to watch all three, you can do that, but please choose at least one to look at. After you've done that, you're going to move on to step 2. Depending on what you like and what you have at home, what you have access to, you're going to pick the activity that fits for you the best. You can play this Kahoot. You can do a vocabulary illustration if you're feeling creative, and there's an example of that uploaded to the module as well. Or you can do the assignments I've added in your Prodigy math. Prodigy, I'm learning about it. It's kind of a weird thing. This is what the assignments will look at like. So you'll have to click on these little guys and it will take you through certain tasks. When you're done with that and you're feeling pretty good about integer operations, you are going to go to the quiz in Canvas and take that. You get 2 tries to do it. We've done quizzes before. You're at home, so you can use your notes, whatever. It shouldn't be too bad. If you need extra stuff to do, if your parents are on you for not sitting around, there's some games here. There's some YouTube videos with silly songs you can go and watch. That's just extra stuff for you guys to give you things to do and help you practice your math. Okay, back to Canvas. I wish this thing wasn't being so slow. So again, everything's always going to be in the module section. That's all you need to go to. So your instructions that I was just showing you would be here. If the links aren't working from the PDF, like if these aren't working, you can go to the module. All the links are there. So these are the 3 videos you can watch. These are the activities you're going to do. If you decide to do the drawing activity, you'll click here to turn it in. You can take a picture of your drawing. You can upload it from your computer, whatever you want to do. If you haven't joined our Prodigy class, the instructions are there if you decide you want to do that. And then when you're ready, you'll take the quiz. And you'll click on that to get to your quiz, just like we've done before. Here's the extra stuff I was talking about. This is instructions for a game. Some of us have played in class before if you want to do that. And then this is a file that has all of your notes from the year. I took pictures of what you should have in your interactive notebook. So if you don't have those, you can look at that to help you. You guys really don't need to print any of this stuff. It's all being done online. If you feel like you need to print it, you can, but you don't have to. I know not everybody has a printer that they can just print from, so you don't have to do that. You can do everything on here without printing. We will have a Zoom meeting. A lot of your teachers are doing it. I know you've seen the messages from other teachers. Ours will be Wednesday at 12 noon for 12 noon for academic, 1 o'clock for pre-AP. And to do that, you'll click on this, and there is a link you can follow to get to that meeting. Again, it's being really slow, but it should pop up to you. There's also a code that you can enter in the Zoom app, but that won't be until tomorrow. 12 o'clock for academic, 1 o'clock for pre-AP. You do not have to do the meeting. If you can't, that's absolutely fine. I know some of you you live in the country, the internet's not that fast. That's okay. I understand that. So that's only if you want to. I would love to see you, but if you can't make it, that's fine. If you have any questions, look here. There's a lot of instructions here that might answer your question. But if you still can't figure it out, please email me, talk to your friends that are in the class. I know you guys are smart. You'll figure all of this out. I know you're way better at technology than I am. So I'm excited to see what we do these next few weeks and how much you guys learn. All right, until then, have a good week and happy learning.